I'm Bomber Bro, and today, I'm going to blow up this box of 4th of July fireworks with my bomb since today is the 4th of July. Hot 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 hot. Well, what am I waiting for? Let's do this shit. Now time to get out of here. This place is about to burn down.
Huh, strange. Why do I smell something burning all across the cash register room? Oh my god, this place is about to burn down. I need to evacuate this place and then call the firefighters to pull the fire out.
After Andrew evacuated everyone from the Walmart store and when the firefighters arrived,
Well, that fire was big, but easy to put out.
And I just think I know who is the cause of this. It's Bomber Bro. I can tell because I saw him going out of the Walmart store in a rush, and he likes throwing bombs. Well, let's see how he likes it when I call his parents about this.
meanwhile with Bomber Bro,
Since I blew up the 4th of July fireworks at Walmart, I'm going to
Bomber Bro, 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 Bomber Bro. Oh, get over here right now now. Ooh.
Oh shit. I think my parents found out about what I did.
You're damn right we did, Bomber Bro. We just received a call from Andrew saying that you blew up the 4th of July fireworks at Walmart and also told us that you're banned from Walmart for 2 months for it.
Do you realize that what you did could have put many lives in danger? You are lucky that Andrew evacuated everybody from the Walmart store in time so that nobody got killed, but we are still fined $10,000 for the damages you have caused and it needs to get paid by next month.
That does it, mister. You are grounded until we pay the fine by next month. Go to your room right now.